Getting used to it. All right, in a nutshell, I have like 10 minutes because I have a WW meeting. She knows mummy's on her trying to get fit game. So I said I'm promising to do this video because, you know, it's all about it's all about keeping your promises. Not trying, keep your promises the best that you can, right, moms? Any busy mums out there, you know what I'm talking about. So listen, 5 minutes, I'm gonna show, just making sure we have stuff. I'm gonna show you how to do threading at home. Yes. I'm an esthetician and I first started out with this thing. Actually, that's what got me a lot of my customers. And so some of you may like just not be able to get out. I know that we're open and all that stuff, but hey, why not? Let me just show you how to thread your eyebrows at home, okay? And then the fact that Samara is,
I'm supposed to help you, right?
She's just a baby. She's 10. If she can do it, it's going to be testimony to the fact that anyone can do it. You guys have to excuse everything being a little mess right here, but
we're going to do our nails. I'm sorry that our nails are
all right, don't worry about that. Let's
really
just
professional. Okay.
Okay, so what we want to do is we want our thread to go, I can hardly see in here, can you? But like shoulder to, you want it to be like about this long. So
maybe like about
your
6 feet, like 3 feet maybe.
So here, I'll give you guys a good idea. Just
so
this long.
So like about like about how tall my sister is. She's a 3-year-old.
Ooh, and we're gonna, I'm going ooh because the light's in my eye. Then we're gonna make a knot.
Hopefully the lighting is.
But look, you see that? See that?
I can see.
Using 3 fingers and thumb. Pinkies will be out, and then we just. All right, and then
alligator hands.
So this is my eyebrows before. Where's the brush, honey?
Brush.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, so we're gonna brush up.
Okay, so you're doing it.
No, you're gonna brush the other side. Okay. Come on, come on. I'm sorry that I'm seeming like this really rude rush mom, but you know how it is.
There's time limit.
Many of you mums, you have more time at home with your kids more than ever, especially during this pandemic. But I want to be an example to the girls and to any mums out there watching this video. Hopefully you can also pick up a little bit of a message here, which is that sometimes you've just really got to say no to everyone else and to the kids, and to just do something that's really going to make you stronger for yourself and then of course for everyone else. Okay, all right guys, so then now, thank you honey. Look, you're gonna, this bit inside here is going to act as your scissor. 1 minute sweetie, we're just doing this video.
Busy mom
all right?
challenge.
Trust me. Sorry, nah, don't mind that, doesn't hurt.
Don't worry, she's not crazy.
Sugar, okay. All right, so you saw that? But look at that, guys. Look how that looks thicker and more arched. Realistically, I can probably, let's go ahead and do a little bit more. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, you see we want to get a little bit of definition here in an arch. So let's go ahead and, woo, that was good. All right. I'm going to be honest with you, this thread is a little long, I think, because you want to be able to go like that with ease, and it's actually, I think, a little long, but it will do.
Hopefully.
Okay. Right, now brush up so we can show them. Look like
more at the camera. Okay, so we're doing this one.
Yeah, just brush it so they can see how it was done.
They went up. Basically, they went up.
Okay. Do you see that side? My mama.
You're gonna try.
All right, so I want them. Hold on. Let me show them with the brush.
Can you wait a second? What are you doing? Leave the thread, Maya.
Okay, ladies and gents.
There's not one particular brand that you have to use for eyebrow threading. However, I do have a personal favorite, and I will leave a link to where you can purchase that in the description box below.
I don't know if I should let her do
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do some more classes. But that was just me giving you a quick video.
No.
It takes practice, honestly.
Please.
Okay, so to all the women and mums out there, sometimes no, baby. Sometimes you're gonna seem a little selfish because you cut things off.
No.
It's a really
No.
full-time job, parenting.
Please, no.
And this is my little cut off with her because I told her no, I can't miss this meeting. Mummy has to be healthy and strong so she can take care of them.
So thanks so much for watching, and I recognize that not everything can be covered in a busy mum's 6-minute video tutorial. So if you have further questions, don't forget to leave those questions in the comments below. And in the meantime, do not forget to take care of yourself so that you can be there for the ones that you love. Oh, I forgot to add, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
A second, you can do that after, but you just jumping right in.
I'm just telling them the thread we used.
That's fine, but just let me finish showing them how to brush, and then you can do all of that. See, I try and teach as well about like interrupting and.
Well, we can explain. On my channel, Prince Apple Oop, there's gonna be more videos. So go subscribe to me.
But what I finally also want to do is just show you guys the top and then be gone. Come on.
Please subscribe to my
Where's the
channel.
thread? Where's the thread?
Even though it's not even like it. I would try to upload more daily. It's just, it comes with space and practice. But my mom is so good at that. But
Where's the
I don't
thread?
really have
Where's the
that.
thread? Behind you.
It's to go like that, right?
You're supposed to do it on me.
Oh, on you. Okay. I thought we were doing
I
it
don't
on
feel comfortable.
I thought you were doing it on me, you said.
I'm not threading your eyebrows. She's just 10 years old. No. Right, don't be jumping in and, putting people on the spot. Think, we're learning meditation right now, guys, okay? That's the truth. Yeah, you're feeling embarrassed because that's not how you treat people.
I wanted to edit the
All right,
video.
bye, guys. I have to go.